In our big family with 7 kids, you better believe we know the importance of staying hydrated. So I'm gonna take you on a tour of our house today and show you some of the ways that we stay hydrated with the help of Bluevua. Now in our family, we've got some very competitive athletes. We're talking 20+ hours a week in the gym. It is so important for our kids to recognize how to take care of their bodies properly by fueling it with nutrition and with hydration. Not only are we drinking enough water, but that we're drinking the right kind of water. The water that is going to help really hydrate their bodies and give them all the minerals that they need. So we love using our reverse osmosis system because it is the only way that you can remove 99% of contaminants, including PFAs and microplastics and lead. It's so good for your bodies, but it can be pretty complicated to get into your house. Let me show you. So if you come into our pantry here, we have this sink that has a reverse osmosis system installed right into the countertop. So with this, we actually had to get a hole drilled into the countertop itself, and then under the sink, it has all of these wires and tubes and the filtration system and this big tank back here. And it gives us great tasting water. But in a house that's as big as ours, with as many kids as we have, it just wasn't cutting it. That's why we use Bluevua. They have multiple compact countertop systems that can be installed anywhere in your house without a plumber, without the need to drill into anything. And so I'm gonna show you where our first one is, and that's upstairs. So we're gonna go all the way upstairs to where our kids' rooms are. Hey, Sunny.
Huh?
What's going on in here?
Looks pretty nice, right?
What happened in here?
It's the way I like it.
It's the way you like it? I think it might be time to clean up.
No.
This is Trendy's room. Everyone keeps asking for a room tour, so I'll save that one for later. This is the ROPOT UV countertop reverse osmosis system, and we love having this one upstairs. This is the largest size that they have, and this is great for the kids because all of their bedrooms are up here. We used to have the problem where if they woke up in the middle of the night and they were thirsty, they'd have to go all the way downstairs to get a drink of water. And so now that we keep this up here, right next to their rooms, if they're thirsty in the middle of the night, they just bring their water bottles in here and get them filled up. It's been so great to make sure that they're staying hydrated even at night and early in the morning, so they have nice clean water. This is also a great spot too because we can keep the baby formula up here as well, and we can prepare bottles upstairs where the baby is without having to keep going back and forth in the middle of the night. So convenient for parents of any age. The ROPOT UV countertop reverse osmosis water system is the largest one that we have, and it holds 60 fluid ounces of purified water in the glass carafe. And it has a 6-stage filtration system, including a UV light. And after it filters it, it remineralizes it so you get calcium and magnesium back into the water. And the LCD display makes it easy to track the TDS, water volume, and filter lifespan. So now that we've seen this one, let's go downstairs to the basement. So we have to go 2 floors down to see where we keep our other water filtration system and why we love that one so much. Where all of the fun is in our house, and so we wanted to make sure that we had a great opportunity for us to stay hydrated while we are down in the basement as well. So we chose the ROPOT Lite UV countertop. This one is more compact than the other one, and we especially love this innovative fruit infusion infused water feature. And this is perfect for our spa area down in our basement. I love that this one is a little more compact and fits perfectly on the sink here, but it still holds 40 ounces of purified water in the glass carafe. And I'm not kidding you when I say this was so easy to set up. And this is really the perfect size to keep in your bedroom or in your nursery. And the glass infuser really elevates your water. Now let's go check out a couple more rooms before we head outside. As you can imagine, with two competitive gymnasts, a competitive ice skater, and our little rodeo queen, we are always on the go. That's why we have a travel system to make sure that we are getting all the water that we need in the cleanest, best way possible. And so let's go up and show you the car that we drive and how we keep water with us on the go. One of the questions we get all the time is, what car do you drive that fits 7 kids? Now, fun fact about me and Josh growing up, our parents had 2 separate cars because they didn't have a car that fit their whole family all at once. But we are very blessed to have a huge van. We drive a Sprinter van that fits all 9 of us. So I'm going to show you how we make sure we have clean water on the go, even at their sports and their activities all the time. You got a baby package for me?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness, that is a baby package. Hi, Disney. This is our 12-passenger van, so it fits all of us, plus we've got room for 3 more. And it is so great for getting the kids to and from all of their activities and their practices and everything else that we're doing. But it's also amazing for fun road trips, and what we're preparing for right now, we're gonna go camping. And so you better believe when we go on vacation, we wanna make sure that we're continuing to get that great hydration through our reverse osmosis systems. So we have this, hi Rocky. We have the ROPOT Travel, and this is amazing because we can bring this and fill it up with whatever water we have available to us. For this trip, we actually have to bring our own water. So we're filling up jugs of tap water so that we'll have it for doing dishes and washing our hands. And then we have this travel system here so that we can have clean, purified, reverse osmosis water while we're camping. And I love this because it comes with the glass bottle as well, so that you have it available to you. We like to keep this in our car and take it with us whenever we're going out on road trips or camping, and it's just been so great for our family. It doesn't get much more convenient than this. You just plug it in and fill it with tap water and you are ready to go. Every one of these Bluevua water filtration systems have been rigorously third-party tested, so you know you always have safe, pure water, whether at home or on the go. We like to keep it in our master bathroom when it's not being used for our travel, and it's great for making the baby's bottle in here too.
So, as you've seen with us, guess what? Guess when we're leaving? We're leaving in the morning, and guess what we have ready to go?
Pretty much nothing.
Yeah, we've started moving stuff into the garage.
What I just showed you in the garage is all we have packed up so far. So we still have a lot to do. So I hope you enjoyed this home tour. Make sure you check out Bluevua and their reverse osmosis countertop systems and their travel system. We love them. They're amazing.
My favorite is the infused water. It's amazing.
So good. So make sure you check it out. Check my link in bio and in the description.